want to do it full speed. Are you ready? I'm literally going to do it full speed.
Wait until she gets in here.
No, I'm going to do it full speed right now, just so you know what it's going to feel like. Ready?
No. That's not full speed.
That was full speed.
No, hit me, actually.
Okay.
I meant when she comes in, hit me.
How did that feel?
Hit me like 3 times harder than that at least.
That was me doing full speed.
That wasn't full speed.
Bullshitting. I'm not going like WWE. Here, let's full speed then.
That's not even painful.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay, do that and I'll fall to the ground.
Holy shit. You have no idea how hard I'm actually hitting you, do you?
I don't think you know how hard you're
Yeah,
not
you're,
hitting
you're
him.
barely swinging, dude.
Yeah.
No.
There you go.
You hear
Save
the
it,
wind
though.
on that one?
She's going
Put my chair down.
Holy shit.
Put it down.
You're not Megan.
Aww.
Oh my god!
What is going on? You walked in on the perfect time.
That's, my stomach's just a little bit too big for that.
Guess what? Testicle shots.
No, Randy, no! You just watched me get